So, Welshcake cheesecake?
Yep.
What are we doing first?
Right, so first thing first, we're gonna get our digestive biscuits.
Will I bash them?
Oh, you're gonna do the bash. I like the bashing.
I love the bashing.
Alright then.
Come on.
Give it to the guest. A nice sturdy rolling pin there for you. While you do that then, I'll melt the batter. So we've got 250 grams of digestive biscuits and we've got 100 grams of butter, I think.
Carry on talking, Katie.
I know you don't listen to me anyway. What I do, you start rolling it.
You said I could do that bit.
Well, help you out then.
Huh?
Help you out.
I'm struggling.
You could do this in the food processor as well, but it's nowhere near as fun, and then you've got to wash the food processor.
Can I have my turn?
Yes, that's looking good. So we're going to put them in the bowl now. Got our biscuits now. We're going to add a little bit of this nutmeg that I've got here, which is what I use in my Welsh cake.
Right.
Just to flavour it, because obviously it's a Welsh cake cheesecake.
Yeah.
And then I've got my butter, which is melted.
That's a big lump in it.
The stealing biscuits. So I'm going to press this down now with my hand.
Digestives and butter. There's nothing like it. Anyway.
No, you're fine. you enjoy, it's fine. I'll just do all the work. Next thing I'm going to do now is add some Welsh cakes into the base and push them down.
Well, you actually put them in, not like crumble them or anything.
Both.
Right.
So this is the first part. And we give them a really good press down.
Yeah. Right.
Doesn't have to be too perfect. And then that's going to go in the fridge now while we make our filling.
Okay, I'll go and put that in the fridge.
We start now doing the filling while that's chilling. So I got 100 mils of double cream.
Right.
Which I thought that was quite dramatic.
That was
good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And we're going to whisk that until it's sort of whipped up. Okay, so that's our cream all whipped up. And then I'm going to add in 250 grams of mascarpone cheese.
Okay.
Which is lovely and creamy. And I've got 400 grams of soft cream cheese.
Is that branded or is it homemade?
I use the cheapest one I can find.
And I do.
And I don't think it makes any difference. We're going to add a little bit more nutmeg.
Yeah.
Not too much, just like a little sprinkling. I've got 75 grams of golden caster sugar and I've got 100 grams of normal caster sugar.
Right.
The reason I use a bit of golden is because I find it has more caramel flavour, which goes with the Welsh cakes, having been cooked on the griddle. I'm going to add 3 eggs. Give that a little whisk now.
Oh, so don't do it by hand first?
Nope. Super easy recipe.
More confident than me.
Mine?
Yeah. I'll give that a good taste first.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Nah.
Because I don't do anything if it's not on the stand mixer.
I do?
No, everything I do is on the stand mixer.
Oh, no.
I would make toast on the stand mixer.
I'm going to add the zest of a lemon, and the lemon zest just gives a little zing throughout.
Yeah, it cuts through the sweetness a little bit.
Just a little bit, and I love zest in anything.
Yeah.
Some raisins, but I've chopped them up now so they're nice and small.
More fine, yeah.
And then we get our spatula, mix that in.
Through.
And then the last thing we need to put in, because it's Welsh cake cheesecake, is some Welsh cakes.
So how are you going to just crumble them in?
Yep.
Can I do one?
Yeah, we're going to do about 4 to start with and see how we get on. So that's 4 now. Leave some bigger bits, some smaller bits. See how we left some big chunks in there?
Yeah.
Stir that through and then we'll have a look and see what we're thinking. Probably do with a little bit more, I think. Try that. We're just doing it by eye because Welsh cakes are different sizes, and this is a really lovely way to use up. You know, if you've bought Welsh cakes or had them given to you and they've gone a bit past, this will just liven them right back up. So I think that looks about right. Let's just have a little look. No, I think 1 more. Just 1 more.
You said 4. We've gone for 7.
We've gone for 6. I think 6. Have I not counted properly? Right.
I think it's 7.
We'll start. Right. So do you want to go get our base?
Yep.
And then we're ready to cook it then. Thanks, John.
There we go.
Put in as much as I
that looks delicious, to be honest.
And we're going to serve this with that Barra Brith ice cream you didn't like the sound of.
We're going to let me hear the last of that one.
I'm not, am I? No. I'm not. We're going to bake that now at 130 degrees of fan.
Baked?
Yeah, it's a baked cheesecake. It's raw eggs in it.
I didn't. I just thought it was going to go back in the fridge.
No, this is going to get baked. It's a baked cheesecake.
Right.
We're going to bake it for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Then we turn the oven off. Then we let it go cold. And then we put it in the fridge overnight.
Right.
So you're sleeping here tonight, yeah?
I'm gonna
We'll have it for breakfast.
Just to have some of this cheesecake. I was going to get a spoon in there.
It's got egg in it!
Yeah. Guess a spoon.
Oh yeah, you're eating them blooming egg whites when you're on the show.
Yes. Nothing wrong with a raw egg. What do you think they've done before cooking?
Well, I know that, but...
I could eat that. Can't double dip. There we go.
No double dipping allowed. How's it looking, John?
It's looking pretty good.
There we are.
Go. So that's chilled, baked and chilled.
That's right. So we got a couple of little cracks because if you cook it in a water bath and things, that can prevent that completely.
Right.
We got no major cracks, and we're going to put some little Welsh cakes on top to decorate, so it's going to be fine. Yeah. And we're going to just slide this round the edge. So I'm using a spatula because it's sort of the thinnest tool.
Yeah.
We don't want to tear into the cake.
Got any baby spatulas?
I can't find it. There we are. Okay.
Right.
So we got our springform again. So we just loosened it, because sometimes if it was caught, it could like rip off.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just going to slide underneath.
Right. I'll tell you what we'll do.
And we get a little
There we go.
There we are.
Spot on.
So I'm just going to put some of these little mini Welsh cakes on.
Okay.
Which is just like a little sweet. And you can serve one of these then with a slice. Just like as many as you want. Alan always says I put one too many of everything on. So.
Yeah.
There we are.
Excellent.
And we can have a slice now. Do you fancy a slice? Are you more convinced now than you were?
I am. Well, I tasted that a little bit earlier.
Right, so I'm going to cut you a slice.
Yeah.
Small slice, is it?
A small slice, a small Welsh slice.
Okay. And then we're going to get some of that Barbrith ice cream out.
Yeah.
And we'll serve it together then.
Lovely.
There we are.
Oh,
and it cuts quite nicely.
Right, I'll go and get the ice cream.
Okay, so we'll get a scoop of that for you.
There we go. So
there we are, John.
Let's have a little taste. Oh, I'll taste the cheesecake first. That's surprisingly really nice.
Surprisingly, thanks.
Surprisingly, I will say that, because I really didn't think the two would go together. But then again, I've had ice cream with Welsh cakes before.
Yeah, Welsh cake ice cream.
So something was creamy. That's really nice, like the nutmegs coming through and everything.
Yeah, because we put it in the base and the top, so you're getting that Welsh cake flavour throughout, and a little bit of lemon zest as well.
Sorry, I'm supposed to have the ice cream with the cheesecake.
Sorry, you can eat it all, John, it's fine.
There we go. It's an excuse just to have more. That is delicious. Well done.
Thank you very much. I'm glad you liked it. The recipe for this will be down below, and the other two videos where we make the Barbrith and then turn that into Barbrith ice cream will also be linked down below. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification that tells you every time I post.
Come on, Katie, we can do it.
Which tells you every time I post a new video. And please give us a big thumbs up if you like these videos, and if you'd like to see anything different, please leave a comment down below. Thanks very much, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye. So I don't know what you want to do with ice cream, because we haven't got enough. Should we just
I want to eat it. That's what I want to do. I just want to eat it.
Should we leave it? I'm just going to go see Lena. Should we put it back in the
freezer? Let's have it for dinner.